Hello and welcome to Sonic Hills. Today, April and I are going to be cleaning one slot car each. Now April's cleaned a car before, I've shown her how to do it, and so she's now going to have a go at cleaning it if she can remember how to do it. So we'll see how much she remembers, and if she gets stuck, she can ask me what to do. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I know. I already tried. No. Wait, let's see if I even remember how to take the body off. What? Oh, there we go. Did it. I remembered that step. My memory is not that good, so let's see if I can remember how to do it. Oh, popped it off. What?
Make sure you put it over the thing. Right, do you remember how to do that? You have to pull the body sideways that way. No, through the middle. The middle. Here, see where my fingers and thumb is?
Yeah.
The middle, so that separates. And at the same time, push down. There you go. That's it. Keep pulling it apart as you push it through. You're almost there.
Ooh.
Got to pull it apart as you push it through.
I need help.
Need help? Okay.
It's too hard for me.
Pull it apart
Oh.
like that. Okay.
I put me too.
Right.
I think I remember how to do this.
That has got a lot of dust on it. There.
Wow. That's the most you've gotten.
Mm. Now, do you remember what to do next? Go in between and then push it one way until it clicks out. You've got to push it quite hard. There you go, I heard it, go click. Now do the other one. There you go. Right, now stay close to the table and then very carefully pull them out.
I can use my nail. I
Okay.
got an advantage.
Do you remember the little wee washers on the end of that?
Oh.
Those there. Yep. So come over the towel so that if you drop any friends, see them.
Good to know.
Right, now, what was the next thing you did?
Well, was it to clean it and stuff
Yep.
here?
that.
Okay,
Yep, that's right.
I'll first do the. First put all of the little pieces back together. Okay. So which ones go in which?
Right. So first, yep, you want the spring in first, and then, yep, then you want one of those things. Remember, you've got to put the right end in. One end's got a little wee knob on the end, and that goes in first. Yeah. But don't push it in, just let it drop in, otherwise the spring will fire it out.
There we go.
And now you've got to put it in through this hole inside.
This is probably the most frustrating.
As long as you
piece.
get it square, you'll be right.
I've gone square.
Okay, now do the second one.
First try.
Do the second one now.
I got it in. Okay, I got that in.
Do they look the same?
There's black.
No, don't worry about that. Do they look the same? All you've got to do
Is put that one on the other
is
side.
turn that over like that.
Oh,
That's what you've got to do.
that's why I did wrong.
Right. Then,
Put these in the right way.
oops. Right, so it's
I know. I didn't know how it goes.
right. The long end goes down. You notice one side is longer. The longer side goes on the bottom. So the longer side.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right.
So you've got to do it like this. It's got to be fast because the magnet will pull it up. Ooh, you stupid thing. See, the magnet will pull the things apart. Aye, yes, it's on. Okay, I've got mine on. Right, it's almost in. It's almost in. Right, I've got that stupid spring.
This one has two little wee holes in it. Does it need to be replaced?
Take a look. How about? Yeah. What about, what's the other one like?
It's all good. Oh no! Never mind. There's a little one.
Okay, so
I need two.
one.
One. like brand new.
Yep, here you go, there's two.
I don't know.
If the spring is underneath it, it'll bounce back. Does it bounce? No, you haven't got the spring. There's the spring there. You have to get the spring underneath the little wee tab.
Ah, that's gonna be frustrating. That's so frustrating.
I know.
Losing my patience.
You got it?
Yeah, I got my first one in. Finally. Man, that was a struggle. Wait, have you got yours in?
I have. Mine is in.
Finally got it in.
Okay.
All I had to do was press down and it.
Okay. Right, put the axles back on.
Double click.
Right, now put some oil. Here, you take the oil. Put some oil, a little dot where the axle touches the plastic. Just one little dot, you don't have to do much. Yep, this should be enough. Same on the other side. And then turn it over, turn the car over and do the other axle. Yep, and the other side. And then put some on the centre cog. A little wee dot in every little thing and turn the wheel.
Should we do a test run?
Yep. Place your car out the front.
Oh.
What happened? Is that it?
Don't think it's actually in.
No, it's not. The whole body is broken.
Oh, great.
Oh, that needs gluing.
Can we do one test run without the body on? Yeah.
Yep.
So that it has time to go to dry. Now it's just naked.
Hands off. Okay. Well, we've finished taking our cars apart, cleaning them and putting them back together. And as you can see, Apple's one is back together. So we'll put on the track and give it a test run. The body, however, needs fixing. It's broken through the glue again. So
Yeah, for my strength.
right. So we'll put that on the track and give them a test. Okay. Car that I've put together goes. We've got to work out why the car April put together is not going.
Because I literally did everything that I was told to do.
Yeah, our understanding is she's put it together correctly, but for some reason it's not wanting to go. So we'll have to take it apart again
Oh no!
and see why. But we'll do that in another video. So thanks for visiting Sonic Hills, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.